Okay guys, nagka-problema ako sa expedition, no. Naglulus ako ng power tapos nagle-limp mode siya, no. So nawawala lang yung problema yung pag nire-restart ko tapos makakauwi na ako. So last time nagka-problema ako nung nag-biking kami kasi mayat maya patay ng patay. So tara, testingin natin ngayon. Okay, check engine light is on. Let's see if it'll do the same today. Okay, so last time it did the air code while I'm accelerating. Let's just go drive around the neighborhood. Okay, now we did it. See manual. It did it. So okay, let me stop. Car is shaking. Going to park. And okay, let's start. Okay, I want to go back. Let's just go back. Let's go back. I hope it's just the throttle body. I ordered a replacement on Amazon. Let's replace it. I'm not gonna accelerate so I can get home. There you go. There you go. So far, I'm not gonna step on the gas. So look at my RPM. Okay, I'm home. Let's replace the throttle body. Okay guys, new part is here. Throttle body for a 2017 Ford Expedition. First, we're gonna remove this. You need a flathead screwdriver, and this is the part to remove. Alright, next. I gotta remove this hose, flathead screwdriver. Next, move this and press and pull. Okay. Okay, next is I think 4 bolts, size 8. It's off, and okay. Ooh. Alright guys, so this is the old part. So last Friday I opened this up and then sprayed it with a cleaner. It didn't work. So this is the other side. I think the motor is already shot. Purchased this on Amazon. I think I overpaid. Why? Because I've seen similar generic throttle body on eBay, but the shipping is longer. This is 1 day, so I think there's I overpaid for around 12 to 15 bucks. But if you buy one at the auto parts store, you're gonna pay twice. Brand new, they look the same. Okay. Ready to install. Okay guys, new part is in. Installation is just the opposite of taking the old part. So let's go, let's test it out. Let's go. So last time I did not even make it 1 block in the neighborhood. Okay. Car is shaking. I think it's more responsive. Car is more responsive. Expedition is more responsive. Okay, let's go. It's alive! It's back. It's back. The car is alive. Look at my RPM. Okay, this is the end of our street. So I think we're good. Let me turn this side. There you go. Nice. Look at the RPM. Oops, I just saw a black cat cross the street. Okay, I'm gonna erase the error code and we're back in business. Nice. Give me RPM. Nice. Okay. Lead code. Is it there? Escape. Erase code. Okay, let me turn it off. Okay guys, no more check engine light. No more check engine light. Okay guys, easy fix. Error code P2112. Throttle control body stuck close. O ibig sabihin hindi siya makabuka, no? So pag na-experience nyo yung ganyan, hesitation or mamamatayan kayo tapos mag limp mode. Ibig sabihin ng limp mode, naka-on pa rin siya pero hindi ka makapag-accelerate. Makakauwi ka pero gapang. Yun ang limp mode. Okay, so napakadali lang ng fix, napaka-easy lang. Maganda kung meron kayong code reader and then syempre research online. By online meaning YouTube and other forums, no? Easy fix. Natuwa ako kasi akala ko talaga, nadismaya ako nung na-experience ko to nung February, nung nag-camping kami. Akala ko may sira yung transmission ko. Yung pala yung throttle body lang sira. Diba guys, for the mileage, expect nyo talaga na may masisira mga parts, no? Pero syempre dependable pa rin tong expedition ko, kaya natutuwa ako. Thank goodness hindi transmission. Okay, pag nasira yung transmission or sa loob ng engine, hindi ko na kayang gawin yun. Okay, so yung mga ganyan minor parts, in order ko sa Amazon kahapon, ang binayaran ko yata $58. Okay, in-install ko ngayon 15 minutes, ang bilis. And then back to normal na. May camping kami this Friday kaya nagmamadali akong ayusin to Kaya yan, I'm happy. He's alive. Back na buhay na uli yung expedition. So ngayon nga today, no, walang pasok yung bunso ko. So free ako today pero hindi ako gumala. Hindi ako lumabas kasi wala akong magamit na kotse. Ngayon, this car is alive. So that's it guys, hopefully may natutunan kayo, no? Napakadali lang nito mag-DIY, no? Hindi lahat ng ng mga sira ng kotse kailangan mekaniko gagawa. Yung mga parts yan, napakadali lang. And pag pinagawa mo yan sa iba, nako, napakamahal. So that's it guys, hopefully nag-enjoy guys sa video na to. See you next time, bye. Woo-wee! 20.2 miles per gallon. So before my average was 16 or 17. There you go.
Get me an authentic
My record
Jersey
so
soda.
far.
He says that's all you ever think about. And I say no. I also think about teaching.
And the good news,
Wow.
the Explore the Tropics event is happening at Whole Foods Market through April.
This is my record miles per gallon. 2017 Ford Expedition.